Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your domain name like this one to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that you want to connect a domain to, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website inside Hostinger Website Builder, and to connect, and as you see till now, it still uses this temporary domain or temporary Hostinger address. To connect my .com domain, it's simple. Just hover over this connect domain button, and this window will pop up. Click on change domain. You will be redirected to this page. If you own a paid domain like a .com domain name on the same Hostinger account, you will see them here like that. Now, in my case, yes, this is the domain I want to connect. It's benstutorial.com. Click on it, or you can type it benstutorial.com. In either way, type your domain here. If it is owned on the same Hostinger account, you will see owned an owned title like this, green title like this. If your domain is registered elsewhere, you will see a message like something like, do you own this domain name? Yes. Click on it like that, then hit next. As you see, domain added to my website. Click on continue. They automatically published this change for me. My website was updated. Click on view site, and just like that, my Hostinger domain, my Hostinger website is connected to my domain. Now here, let me explain to you what happened and what may happen in the case your domain name either is not pointing to Hostinger or it is registered elsewhere. Here, let's start with the first case of having a domain name registered on Hostinger Website Builder, on Hostinger, my bad, on Hostinger, but it is not pointing to Hostinger name servers. What you should do, you should log into your hPanel by going to hpanel.hostinger.com, then go to domains, and next to the same domain name, click on manage, then click on DNS/name servers, and here click on make sure to use those two name servers below name servers. Make sure to use ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2. If you see here, if here you see another value, click on change name servers and make sure to select use Hostinger name servers recommended. Click on save, and after that, or after updating your name servers, go back to Hostinger Website Builder and start the process of connecting your domain name as I've explained it in this video. Now let's say that your website, or my bad, let's say that your domain name is registered elsewhere, for example GoDaddy, Namecheap, Porkban, whatever. Start the process of connecting your domain name, and after typing your domain name as explained before, and instead of seeing a green owned message, you will see, do you own this domain name? When you click on it, same thing. If your domain registered elsewhere is pointing or using Hostinger name servers, it's good. They will the steps will be the same as me. If the name servers are pointing elsewhere, let's say you have a domain name registered on GoDaddy and it is pointing, or it was used for a website hosted on Bluehost, for example. They instead of using the Bluehost name servers, go back or go inside your domain name settings and look for DNS or name servers, or just NS standing for name server, and fill in the Hostinger name servers that Hostinger will show you in the steps. After updating your domain name servers, go back here to Hostinger and check a little box that will say something like I've updated my name servers. Check the box and click on next. And here just wait for the domain name server change to fully take effect online, because DNS changes or domain name server changes requires a little bit of time to take effect. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes 1 hour. And after this waiting period, to give your website a visit. If it is connected, if it shows you your website builder site content like this one, it is good. If it is not the case, just keep waiting. Here you need to be patient. And that's all for how to connect your domain name to Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.